and this one is also without a calculator. You're supposed to solve these problems with logarithms, not using a calculator. So in the first problem here, anytime we see a logarithm, it means this is the base. We can rewrite it as exponential function. So for part A, 5 is the base. A logarithm equals the exponent, so we don't know the exponent, and it equals 125. So basically we're looking for 5 to what power is 125. In this case, 5 to the third power is 125. So that means log base 5 of 125 equals 3. It equals the exponent. All right, in part B, same thing. We're going to go 6 to what power equals 1 over 36. So the thing is, you got to write this as the power of 6. So this is actually 1 over 6 to the second power, because that's what 36 is. 6 to the second power is 36. And since it's the reciprocal of that is our answer, that's going to be 6 to the negative second power. Negative second because it's in the denominator here. So that means our answer to part B is just negative 2. So log base 6 of 1 over 36 is negative 2. If you raise 6 to the negative 2 power, you get 1 over 36. All right, in part C, you're supposed to recognize that ln and e are inverse functions. So basically ln of e is equal to 1 because they're inverse functions, so 1 to the 5th power is 1. Okay, part D. The thing that you're supposed to remember on part D is there is no such thing. There is no 4 to some power that equals a negative 16. So 4 to some power equals negative 16. There is nothing we can raise 4 to get a negative answer, so there's no solution to this one. It's not possible. So part D is not possible. Okay, and then part E, it says log base 3 of the square root of 3. Part E. So basically you have 3 to some power equals the square root of 3. Well, we have the same basis here, 3. We just need to know what exponent is square root, because that's what we're looking for, the exponent, and that's the square root. In this case, it's a root, so that's going to be 3 to the 1/2 power. It's the power inside divided by the power on the outside, and this is square root, so that's a 2 here, and this is a 1, so 1/2 is the square root, so 3 to some power equals 1/2. So the answer to part E is 1/2. Log base 3 of square root of 3 is 1/2.